Hey there, I'm Zach and I'm back with another EDC video. Vision Swell is all about products and principles for a simple, serene life. I've read your comments, taken some suggestions, and kept exploring how to carry less and still get everything done. I've also read the other comments, the ones that tell me I have computer hands, that tools I've owned and used for years have somehow never been used, that I'm a performative faker for carrying 2 cutting tools, that I'm an idiot for carrying a ferro rod over a lighter, that I'm not allowed to use a multi-tool because I don't work on an oil rig. Here's the thing, EDC means everyday carry. It's what someone carries every day. That's it. It's for everyone. Your grandma counts. If someone wants to carry a Tamagotchi and a pack of Bubblicious, that still counts as EDC. So maybe stop with the toxic, narcissistic, egotistical, asinine gatekeeping and grow up. Uh-oh. Do you hear those sirens? The EDC Police are on their way. They're coming to arrest me, tie me up with paracord, and hold a tribunal because I've spoken ill of the holy fraternal cult of the almighty EDC. I ask forgiveness for not living up to your totally rational expectations. I am so sorry. With all that being said, let's get into my game-changing, world-redefining, endgame, ultimate, only tools you'll ever need for the rest of your life. Essentials EDC kit. Just kidding. These are just some tools I like. Let's get into it. So first, let's talk about the pouch. This is the Maxpedition Platy Pocket Organizer. And I love this little EDC pouch. You have 2 slots on the front, 2 slots on the back, a little zipper compartment, a grab handle, a slide pocket behind this, as well as 4 elastic loops. And it's just the perfect little somewhat flat-laying EDC pouch that fits everything I need for my daily carry. I have it completely loaded out with my current tool setup, and I've really enjoyed using this setup. I've spent a long time not buying a Leatherman, and I've tried all kinds of different multi-tools, knives, individual tools, stuff like that. But recently, I found that there was a prime deal on the Leatherman, so I got the Leatherman Wave Plus, an adapter, and a bit set, and it was like half the price of what it normally is. So that became the cornerstone of this kit. But let's get into everything I've loaded this out with. So the first thing I have in this little slot here is the CRKT HangPry Pry Bar. It's a 1 piece of titanium pry bar. You can use it to open the lid of a paint can, lift small nails and staples, tighten a flathead screw, cut through packaging tape when you don't want to gunk up your good knife. It measures just over 3.5 inches and weighs less than a pencil. And even though I have other cutting tools, this thing was worth including in my kit to save my knife blades. I know I could get the same effect from a flathead bit on my multi-tool, but it's nice to have a lightweight and dedicated tool, and it takes up almost no space. Flipping it over, we can talk about the other CRKT tool I have in here. And this is the CRKT Counterpart. Designed by legendary knife maker Ken Onion, the Counterpart blends practical utility with smooth modern style. It has 12C27 steel, drop point blade with a black oxide finish for edge retention and corrosion resistance. And it's got an IKBS ball bearing on the pivot that ensures smooth deployment, activated by sliding the crossbar lock to release the blade from the lock position, and then you can just flick it open. Really easy to deploy one-handed. This is my fidgety go-to one-handed knife, and it's a worthy addition to the blades on the Leatherman. The ambidextrous crossbar lock offers left or right-handed deployment, while the glass reinforced nylon handle balances toughness with featherweight carry comfort. The clip is also adjustable or removable depending on your carry style. I just have so much fun playing with this thing, and the one-handed deployment and one-handed closing action is just so fidgety and fun that this is a great quick deploy knife. And other than the Leatherman, this one deploys super fast, so if I need it in a pinch or I need to reach for it real quick, I have it there. And it's also just like really fun to play with, so I absolutely love this knife. Then I just have a Bic Lighter. I used to carry a ferro rod and people gave me so much guff about it. I carry a lighter sometimes too. They both have their uses. These are great because even if they get wet, you can kind of just air them out and you can still light things, light a fire, boil some water, light someone's cigarette, whatever you need to do. And even if it runs out of fuel, you can still use the action on it to generate sparks and start a fire. So it's a really useful tool to have in any EDC kit. If we go back to the front side, the next thing I have is the Wuben PL01 pen flashlight. And this is just a really easy, quick deploy, easy to use flashlight with thumb activation. And then you can half press it to go through the different lumen levels. And it's just an extremely simple, easy to use little tool. Great little light source if you just want something simple, and you can use AAA batteries if you don't want to use the rechargeable battery. So you have that dual fuel option too. Amazing little EDC flashlight. Then the back sleeve here, got a field notes notebook in case you need to take notes, write down emergency contacts, anything you need to do like journal or just keep your mind right, make a doodle or two. Field notes notebooks, 10% off your field notes purchase if you use coupon code VisionSwell, and the link in the description below. Then this pen has been an awesome EDC pen. This is the Pilot pen from CountyCom, and you have no worry of this accidentally deploying because you have to screw down the top to make the tip come out. It's made of titanium, has great knurling on it, great little EDC pen to keep in your kit. Then on the little grab handle here, in case I want to attach this to my belt or hang it from a hook or hang it anywhere, make a necklace out of it, I have this Leatherman Carabiner that has a little hex driver as well as a bottle opener on it. And it's a really tough carabiner. I've had this carabiner for like 10 years now. And this pouch does come with a lanyard that's attached to it if you want to use it as a necklace or a sling. I just removed it because I don't really use it for that very often. And then also in this back sleeve, I just have a little card that is wrapped in duct tape and electrical tape around an old gift card. That just gives me a lot of ways to repair gear or fix electrical equipment, and I have it right at hand. Then in front here, as stated, I have the Leatherman Wave that I just purchased recently on a Prime deal. And this is a great tool. I've wanted a Leatherman for a long time, and this is just a great first choice. It's one of the best Leatherman out there, all metal. It'll last a lifetime with good maintenance. Wave Plus, like I said. You have one regular blade here. You can see some gunk on it from opening packages. The other side, you have a serrated blade, and then most of the tools are on the inside. So if you open that up, you can see you have needle nose pliers, regular pliers, and some wire cutters. And then on the one side, you have their little flathead bit driver, and it comes with a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver tip. And then you just press this button on the back to close it up. And then in front of that, there's a little wire stripper, or you could also use it as a can opener on the other side. So that's really useful to have. And then on the other side, you have a decent little pair of scissors. They're not the biggest in the world, but they get the job done when need be. Nice and springy, they spring back into action, and I found them to be very strong. Then you also have a little flathead screwdriver right here, as well as a little tiny precision screwdriver down there. So it gives you a lot of options to fix a lot of different things. And the one thing that's really great is that because also on the Prime deal was this little bit extender / ratchet tool, it fits right into this little bit holder. And then you can put your bits on the end, and it gives you ratcheting action. You can change the direction, lock it, and it gives you a ratcheting action plus a little extension for your bit. Makes it really easy to use on any sort of job. So it's just a really useful addition to this kit, and I absolutely love it. I can put those original bits back in there, tuck that away. Then you can go ahead and close this up. But it's a super high quality multi-tool. Comes in the clutch in so many different situations. Great choice. And the little ratchet extender is even better. Then if we flip over to the other side and look what's in the zipper pocket, I have some zip ties tied with a night-eyes gear tie. Gives me a lot of options for securing gear, securing cords, anything like that. I have a little CountyCom spool that's got a really long length of number 36 bank line in case I need to make a ridge line, repair any sort of gear, tie something up in a tree from a bear. Lots of different uses for cordage, obviously. Then, part of that Leatherman deal was also to get this bit set. So there's all these different bits. There's additional precision bits. There's all these little hex bits, all these different sizes of flathead and Phillips head. Just a plenty of different ways to use this tool. Lots of different options, tons of different useful bits to throw in your kit. And they're super flat laying. And then the last thing I have in here are just some ratchet heads. So pairing that with this, I can get a bunch of different sizes of ratchets around bolts, and it really, really expands the usefulness of my kit. So all these things get near daily use for me. I always need a piece of cordage. I'm always looking for a zip tie. These bits help me accomplish any job I want to. I'm always writing things down. I have a nice little EDC pen. I have my multi-tool and the ratchet extender that covers a ton of bases, duct tape, electrical tape, a nice flashlight, a lighter, a quick deploy knife, and a pry tool. This is all I need in my EDC. This covers all my bases. If I'm working on electronic equipment, if I'm working on a knife, if I'm doing small jobs, putting stuff together, helping someone tighten something. So many different uses for this, great for camping. This setup has been absolutely amazing for me. There's not really anything I'd cut out of here. I absolutely love all of it. I don't think anything's duplicative. I have a separate med kit and I have a separate tech kit, so you don't have to worry about those things. This is just my toolkit, and it has absolutely everything that I need in my daily life, and I think it's absolutely wonderful. So what do you think of this EDC kit? What's in your EDC kit? Is there anything that you would add or subtract? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you as always for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and watching in general. Please enable notifications so that you don't miss anything. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.